Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Piatt County, southern DeWitt County, Macon County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Kenny to Warrensburg to near Harristown, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Decatur, Clinton, Mount Zion, Forsyth, Maroa, Harristown, Oriana, and Kenny around 7:35 p.m. Long Creek, Argenta, and Decatur Airport around 7:40 p.m. Cerro Gordo, Weldon, and Cisco around 7:50 p.m. Monticello, Bemet, Hammond, and DeLand around 8 p.m. Whiteheath around 8:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Booty, Millmine, Weldon Springs State Park, La Place, Lane, Elwyn, Galesville, Lodge, and Oakley. This includes Interstate 72 between mile markers 129 and 170. You are listening to NOAA.